Could I get your name?
Zara Alakras.
And can you tell me why you were fired from your job?
So I was on maternity leave already. However, my employer told me my post about Palestine made me look unbalanced, and that violates the company's policy about posting specifically about Palestine.
And this is what company?
That's Global News.
So you were a journalist with Global News?
I am a journalist. I used to be a journalist with Global News, and I got fired on October 17th for posting about Palestine on my social media accounts.
What exactly were you posting?
I was basically sharing the atrocities Israel has been committing about Palestinians and criticizing how the Western media were covering the issue of Palestinians.
What can you say about that coverage? How has the Western media been covering?
I believe Western media is complicit in the genocide Israel is committing against the Palestinians. Complicit by choosing not to tell the stories of Palestinians, choosing by giving a voice to Israel to justify the genocide, complicit by treating both parties as equal. This is definitely not equal. One side is an indigenous population living on their land trying to resist, and the other side is an occupying force supported by US, supported by Canada, supported by Western powers, by military aid, by technology, money, taxpayer money. So they're definitely not equal parties, yet Western media chooses to treat them as equal, and that is complicit.
Agreed. Tell me this: why do you think the Canadian state supports Israel when, in the face of the genocidal level of barbarism that we see?
I believe it's based on economic and political interests in the region, and it's not really sensitive to the human rights of Palestinians.
One last question. What do you say to those journalists in the press who've smeared these demonstrations as somehow being anti-Semitic?
You are complicit in this genocide. Choosing to stay silent, meaning you are giving a voice to the oppressor. You're helping the oppressor in this genocide. You're helping Israel by your silence, and you're complicit in this. History won't forgive.